Ah, here we go. Was having a lot of issues streaming. Anyway, welcome. This is Aaron with Crypto Trends. Today is November 21st, 2018, and we're just taking a look at the market, see what's going on. I thought I'd bring you guys along for the ride just to see what's going on. Please keep in mind this is not financial advice, just my opinion. Let me double check the streaming thing. This is like the fourth time I've had to do it. And okay, it's not great, but it looks like it's going. All right, also please like, subscribe, get notified of these videos for when I bring them up. All right, so enough of that. BTC, been sucking wind lately, been doing all this, all the waterfalls. We all know what the chart looks like, right? And this is BTC USD. Let's go here to the 4-hour. This is on the logarithmic scale, which I like a lot. And that's just me. Anyway, yeah, so that looks pretty gruesome, right? And what can we tell from this? Okay, so we're just looking to see what we can tell what's going on. Well, just standing back here, if we take our little box, our little rectangle tool, we can see there's a rectangle here, okay? Boom. There's also one kind of, yeah, about right here is a pretty clear one. There aren't any others, right? No clear rectangles. Before, we had them all over in the past, right? Tons and tons of these little Bart heads, they called them the rectangles. Okay, so we're just taking a look at this chart, trying to figure out, okay, what's going on? Where do we think it's going to go? We know we had support here and it fell off the cliff. Another little support area here. We thought, okay, fine, we're going to recover. Fell off a cliff. Same thing here, kind of, except we had this big recovery, right? And now it looks like it's stabilizing and actually going up again. Just like this movement up in here. So, one thing to note, though. Look at, what do you see that's different between these two? First thing that pops out to me is the good old volume right down in here. Look at that volume. Very low volume for having such a huge sell-off and then nothing. Okay? Pretty low volume. Then it goes down again. Much larger volume. And then much larger volume here on the upswings too. So what does that tell you? Do people think that, okay, this is like the low? They're buying in at, what, 46.53 and a little bit lower? So we'll see. Where did it... It went all the way down to, looks like 4,300, right? Ouch. Ouch. But it popped back up, and so people are kind of happy right now. This is on the 4-hour. Let's go to the 1-hour. See what's going on. Okay, there it is, a little bit clearer. So we take our little chart line, and we can go like this, and people, I'm sure, are projecting that, yeah, we're going to go... We're going to the moon, baby. We are, I mean, we are there. You know, where's the moon? Where is the moon? I'll show you. Moon's here. So, no, I'm just joking. That's a bad joke. I'm sorry, guys. I know there's a lot of people out there that are really sweating bullets right now. And so, you know, I'm trying to lighten the mood a bit. Okay, so what else can we make of this? Okay, so we have this uptrend here, right? And then we can do another one. I'm just drawing lines. These are just lines, okay? That's all they are. So you can take that point, that point. Okay, that's a line. If we extend that way out up here, is that valid? Nah, not really. Let's say we take the point from up here, okay? Like, that really means anything. Does that make any sense? No. How about this point here? That one makes more sense, doesn't it? Let's go ahead and, if we look at that, looks like it already broke out, and it's going up. Well, I'll be darned. And I'm looking at this point, but, you know, let's take a look. If we go from this point to that point, it looks even more aggressive, doesn't it? Broke out even more. So pretty much either way, any way you look at it, unless you put your line right there, you know, it's going to be breaking out, but it looks like it's going to that triangle and stuff. So what am I seeing here? What am I seeing? What I'm actually seeing is, I drew this a while ago. I am looking for basically a continuation. Now keep in mind, this line I drew right here, it's not price. Same as this, it's not price. What this is market sentiment. You could think of it as the energy of you guys out there, the traders, the collective consciousness, okay? So that's what that is. People are going flat, and then there's going to be some type of a dip, and then I think it will start going up. Now this could be a dip for sure. It could go up. It could also go down. And everything in here, I mean, this is just like guesswork, okay? It's up and down. You can't chart this stuff. You can try, but good luck to you. So here, then maybe some type of a V dip going up like that. So we'll see. But then that's hitting close to the 4,000 mark. Could be. We'll see. We'll see. I'm long term. I really don't care. I know Bitcoin has a future, so this is just like entertainment stuff I'm looking at. And yeah, so Bitcoin, let's scroll out here. Let's take a look at it on the daily. And it's just been, you know, going up, 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 having a great day. This is way back when, right? And if you look way out over here, this is like where I'm seeing it. And could it be, you know, it could go down here, right? So it's just my opinion, but right now it's about here on the chart. Also, watch out for a tether event. I picked up some energy on that around January 19th. Oh, excuse me, January 18th. So watch for that, okay? All right, so that's enough of BTC USD. Where's it going? Yeah, it could go up or down. But notice here, this line here, that certainly looks like a BART head. It could be, but we'll see. This could be a V thing. All right, so that's what I'm thinking. Let's go look at good old ETH. See if we can see anything there. This is ETH USD. Okay, ETH is actually looking pretty interesting. It's fallen down pretty low. It fell below all support. We're looking about right here would be like the last line of support, and then it's just, you know, craters downwards. So we'll see what's going on. But lo and behold, hey, we have 2 green candles on the daily. Let's go to the 45 minute. Why not, right? 45 minutes. See how those are really cool green candles? Yeah, drop, 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 drop. It looks pretty tired. Once again, you can draw the same line. Gee, what a coincidence. The same line, huh? But ETH to me, same waterfall. What are you guys' opinion of ETH? I don't like it fundamentally myself. I like to trade against it. I used to absolutely adore it. And I've done well with ETH, but right now, take a look at Zilliqa. I recommend you take a look at Zilliqa. Yahoo! Anyway, ETH. Watch for FUD coming out on ETH. That's the. I think that they're trying to bring this thing down more. That's what I think they're doing. I mean, look at this big old BART here. I mean, this thing's just filled with manipulation. Manipulation City. BART, right? This is a big old BART right here. Right? This is another one. Whoops. Draw it over here. Whoops, gotta get my thing. As you can see, it's just filled. You guys get the idea, right? Yeah. Alright, so what is going on with ETH? Do I think it could go down further? Well, it's already dropped way down here. And really, there's not much supporting it. If you go all the way back here, there's really not much supporting it to go back down, except until you're hitting like below the $100 level. So we'll see. But people liked it here, bounced at 125, 130 area. So best of luck to ETH. And I'm just looking at that. So that's on ETH USD. All right, so tired of looking at ETH. Let's go look at something exciting like XLM. Let's take a look at the ETH pair. XLM just going bazonkers, right? Okay, looking good, right? This is on the day. Let's go to the 4-hour. Okay, looking good. What do you notice here? Somewhat parabolic, getting kind of scary going parabolic. But at least there's a little bit of calming down here. So we'll see what happens with ETH. Let's, XLM, Stellar. Let's look at Stellar versus USDT. See what we see. Anything that sticks out at me that looks scary. 4-hour, no. Let's look at it at the day. Day, you can see the manipulation, right? You guys see that now? Yomp. Yomp. Okay, so if that's manipulation, this one's going down, this one's going down, this one is like really small. Went up, kind of levels itself up. So this one is pointing. See another one here. This one's pointing up here in this kind of range. Where's my little... Come on thing. Okay, there you go, mouse. So this one's pointing up in here, so we're looking at something like that, right? Okay, fine. We'll see what happens. And this is, keep in mind, this is on the daily, okay? This is on Stellar USDT. So I'm taking a look at that, so I'm thinking, okay, that's Stellar. Okay, cool. Let's go look at Ripple XRP. Excuse me to the Ripple people out there. XRP USDT. Let's look at, do I have it on that? Yeah, I have some stuff there. Okay, so this is on good on Tether. Come on thing, get off there. What do we see here? Any manipulation. Okay, that's on the day. How about the 4-hour? Is it easier to see? Yeah. We see one big one here right in the center. Scroll out a bit, change the scale. Yeah, it makes it look even more prevalent. See how the bottoms line up fairly close? And a lot of technical analysis go off that too as well. They just pretty much draw a horizontal line to denote that. Same as an upward line here. They denote that, but then this would, they might call it like at the bottom. Depends on their charting style. I mean, you have as many different charting techniques as you do charters. But anyway, so I'm looking at this as being a big old manipulation box. Let's call it that instead of a BART box. Let's call it a manip box. And yeah, big old huge things here. This is a big old manipulation, this big old huge dip. And actually, that's a pattern I was looking at and wanted to show you guys. Let's go here. So this pattern right here, boom. Right there, that area. So what does it do? Goes down, has a V, goes straight, then up, right? Goes down. Ooh. Does it have a V? No, not yet. But it could go straight over. I'll just get my little pencil here. Could go like this and then bloop. So we'll see, right? Now the point of where that is that I'm expecting would be right around, draw this guy. Right around 2/3 of the way up from here. So not quite there, but maybe right about in this area, okay? Because it just is, all right? That's that's the energy I'm getting. I'm sorry I can't give you any more information than that, but that's what I'm getting. So, and then this is on the 4 hour. Okay, keep that in mind. Let's go to the day. Okay, fine, looks good. How about the week? Don't forget about to take a look at the week. And this, what chart is this on? Let me go XRP, USDT. I think I did that on Binance. Let me look at Bittrex. That's not looking so good either. Why? What is going on? Okay, that's the weekly. Should be a lot bigger than that. Okay, well, let's go look at XRP versus ETH. That's a little bit more exciting. Yay, look at that. Parabolic. So congrats to all the XRP holders out there. And this is kind of like what I'm seeing. If you notice this is like a head and shoulders pattern. When it goes parabolic like this, it's quite interesting. So it just depends on how long do you think that basically the continuation pattern here of just kind of going flat will last, okay? Do you think it's going to come down like a slope, or maybe kind of make a head and a shoulders pattern? Okay. And so for me, it's like, okay, what I'm getting is that I'm getting energy around in this box and this box. Can it go up even further? Absolutely. Okay. Absolutely. Don't take any of this as financial advice. These are just my guesses. And let me know what your guesses are. Do you think it's going to go up? Do you think it's going to go down? And keep in mind, this is XRP versus ETH, the trading pair, okay? And what does that mean? It means, well, XRP will weaken against ETH. So let's go take a look at ETH again. Now, does that make sense? So that means Ether is going to have to go up. And I have a target box up here that I drew earlier. And actually, yeah. So, yeah, I think that fits. XRP, ETH. XPR, it's XRP, ETH. There we go. Yeah, so that makes sense, okay? Don't get me wrong, I like Ripple, okay? I like XRP. I wish Ripple was a stock. Do an IPO, that'd be cool. XRP is what it is right now, and hey, congratulations all those holders out there. Let's go take a look at Stella versus ETH. Looks just like XRP, doesn't it? Fairly close. Real similar. Yeah, it looks like that one to me is going to drop as well. It's going to have weakness against Ether, so we'll see. I mean, I don't know. I'm just guessing on here. But if you take here from last support, goes up, boom, boom. I like this area right in here. So we'll see what happens. So here, and then it could be, I don't know. I'm just guessing. Drawing some lines. Boom. So we'll see what happens. Could it go up? Absolutely. This is not financial advice. Tell me what you guys think, where it's going. Why you like Stellar. Why do you like XRP? And it's not that I don't dislike these coins. I like them both. But also keep in mind I'm not married to them. Alright, so what's another one that's of interest? One of my absolute favorite coins. I did VEN. It should be VET. VeChain. Let's go take a look at that on Binance, see what it's doing. Okay, so I drew this little yellow thing here. I thought it was going to go up earlier, and well, looks like it's doing it down here. Whoops. So, well, I'm not going to move that. I'm going to keep it there so I can see, so I can go back and analyze my mistakes. But it looks like, hey, it did its little dip, and its little four-way here. It went up, boom. It went down, boom. So this guy corresponds to this guy here, and so hey, so we'll see what happens. We might see a V-shape return, a return up into the trading range. That'd be really good for VED. I'm tired of seeing all these red. One thing to note, look how consistent the volume is on these red candles. Absolutely normal, right? Guys, you're not trading against other traders. Not trading against other traders. So what else is cool? Here's a new one I picked up just the other day. See what it's doing. Holochain. Take a look at their technology. Somewhat interesting. I got to do a review on it. But, you know, hey, steady Freddy right now. Nice big huge increase, and right now it's steady Freddy, so we'll see what's going on. Just scrolling in and out. Looks like it had the V pattern there. What that is could also be is called a spring, and then what happens is that it goes down, down, has a spring, then it shoots up. And if you don't know what I'm talking about Wyckoff stuff. Been showing this Wyckoff spring. Just Google it, click on images, and there you go. So like a spring. Let's see what's a good representation. Oh, here's one with like a V. Okay, so it goes down, down. Boom. That's you know, the V shape return, right? Then it kind of goes up, does a secondary test, wham. Okay. And there's a whole bunch of different pictures. I suggest, you know, because they have like different phases on Wyckoff, how they break it down. A, B, C, D, you know, that type of stuff. Yeah, see if this one looks no, that one doesn't match, but this is a good one. So it goes down, test. Let's go take a look. Oops. So it went down, boom. Scroll out. This is on the 15-minute. That's too short. 4 hours actually pretty short too, but keep in mind this is a fairly young coin on Binance. So what do we see? Boom, support. Fell through support here. Everything took a dive. I'm surprised it didn't go further. Seeing manipulation basically here in this range. Okay, that's fine. Gonna play a manipulated market, learn how to read manipulated charts. We also have another box here. Yeah. So we'll see where that goes. These are basically trading ranges. So if we think this is a if we think this is like that big low dip I showed you, like this one right here, the SC, could be a secondary test. We'll see. Let's go. Come on, thing. Secondary test. Yeah. Could be something like that, right? Could be lots of things, but we'll see where it goes. But Holo is interesting. Why did I pick it up? Well, I had it mentioned by one of my wonderful, fantastic viewers, the best viewers in the whole wide world. And I went and took a look at it, and it looked interesting. Plus, another thing is that it was the cheapest darn thing on Binance. And also, XRP was going berserk bonkers. And so I could pick up a whole bunch of this stuff for very little XRP. And I thought that was like really cool. And so I picked up a little bit. Awesome. Well, so we'll see how it goes. And yeah, so this is like a long shot for me. Well, not quite a long shot, but you know, I'm not like throwing the kitchen sink at it by any means. So we'll see, but the chart, you know, doesn't look too bad to me if you scroll on back. Anyway, I have to go teach a Qigong class here. I'll just see if I have anybody making comments. Probably not too much. It's Thanksgiving. We'll see. Patricia wants to know if I can comment on Pundi X. Pundi X is interesting. Interesting stuff. They have a lot of good energy around them. They have hardware, actual hardware being installed that people can use. It's a very interesting project. With a lot of good energy. Let's see. So that is Pundi. Yeah, definitely do your homework on that. All I'm saying is that I like the energy about it, and I like that it's doing hardware. The thing is, for me, I like things that actually go out into the real world and have something besides just ether. Okay? I like that. XRP is doing something. VeChain is doing something. XLM is doing something. Zilliqa is still on the sidelines right now, but it's being built. Okay? You have the key, TKY, which we're taking a look at right now. That is doing something. Plus, they have an AMA coming up. So we'll see. But let's take a look at the key. But Pundi, yeah, I like Pundi. I also absolutely love the. To me, in my opinion, this and VeChain are the most undervalued cryptos out there. Do your research. TKY. That's all I can say. Can it go up? Yeah, it has been going up. It has had a really good day of 13%. Woohoo! That's awesome. This is on the 8-hour. Let's scroll out to the, let's do the day. Okay, nice cup and handle formation, right? We haven't had the handle yet. Still doing the cup. So we'll see what happens with the key. But they have, you know, check them out on Reddit. They don't have a ton of posts, but the people that are there are, you know, like level-headed. Okay, they're level-headed. They see this stuff and they see the volume going down, and people are like, yeah, I wish, you know, the price went up, or yeah, I wish I bought more at this dip. It's like, you know, same old stuff. But for the most part, very level-headed. A lot of them have a very long-term view because they realize what the key is, and that fits. And I like this so much. I suggest you go do your research on it. So let's see what else. I think Frey had a comment on something. Tiki Y says they have news releasing on the 30th. Ooh, I wonder what that is. You know what that is, Frey? Any ideas? You're welcome, Patricia. Thanks for the comment. What could possibly be the news? Well, we know that their mainnet is coming out right in December. We know that the key has, what, 300 plus developers working on it, almost, what, 24 hours a day? Because it's a national priority to get the key done. Keep that in mind, guys. It's huge. So what could that mean? Possible early mainnet launch? Maybe. Yes, maybe no. Maybe something about they have some type of agreement with whatever. I don't know. But it's interesting. So I am definitely looking forward to that news, and we'll see what it is. But usually the key, I mean, they don't come out with a bunch of BS news saying they're going to have an announcement of an announcement of an announcement. And, you know, garbage like that. Now, this is a real deal endeavor in my opinion. Not that counts for much, right? But yeah, the key, interesting stuff, and I will definitely keep my eyes open. I usually check their site about every 3 days, you know. It's because there's so low volume on it, and I know where it's going. So it's like, oh, where's it at today? Okay. Best of luck to you, Frey. Still holding that tea food? Or did you let that go? Interesting stuff. Happy Turkey Day. Yes, happy Turkey Day. Hope everyone has a wonderful Thanksgiving out there. That is for sure. Oh, the Patricia says the TKY and the Holocaust. Okay, yeah. Hollow chain. Gotcha. Okay, I didn't scroll down for enough. KMD. Somebody wants me to take a look at KMD. Why not? It's one of those days. Oh, hold on. I'll take a look at it real quick, then I have to go. I just got a reminder. I'm having so much fun here. Let's go take a... Where is that at? KMD. Let's go to... see if it's on Qcoin. I don't know if it is or not, but we'll see. Come on, thing. Isn't that like Komodo or something like that? Kill that. Is it on Binance? It's like I've never seen it, right? So, hey. This is your day because it will be fresh. Okay. You sure you got that right, KMD? Where is it at? Time is the solution. 2019, just hold. Absolutely. 2019, 2020, 2021, 2022. What happens in what happens in 2020 with VeChain? Tokyo Olympics. We'll see what happens there. KMD. This is bothering me now. KMD coin. See if that brings it up. Yeah, Komodo. I thought that was Komodo. Okay, what markets is it at? Why didn't it bring it up? Man, I must... Oh, USD markets. I am such an idiot. I need more coffee. Okay, let's take a look at it on here. Just go look. Let's go look at the 1 day. Scroll to the big boy thing. I don't like this view. Let me go over here to KMD ETH. Should be on Binance. There it is. Okay, great. 4 hour. Take a look at it on the weekly first. Okay, so what do we have? We have that. What else do we have? We have that. What else do we have? We have that.
It's raining out really hard.
Okay. All right, the KMD looks like we're having a double top with a inverse kind of head and shoulders type of thing. So it looks like it's holding its own. It came down from this real high level. So, you know, we'll see. But not bad energy. Not bad energy. It's ended on a green candle here after a dip, so we'll see. But yeah, anyway, guys, I have got to go. It's raining, and I am going to be late. But thank you all. I will go ahead. If you go ahead and leave your comments in the comment section, I'll go ahead and answer them. Also, Frey has some interesting stuff here. So yeah. Anyway, I have got to go. I am going to be late. Thanks, everyone. Have a wonderful, wonderful Thanksgiving, and I am checking out.